Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Clorox Wipes is probably one of the most versatile and essential cleaning tools in any household, offering a quick and effective way to tackle everyday messes, sanitize surfaces, and leave your home smelling fresh and clean without the harshness of bleach. These wipes are designed for convenience, allowing you to easily grab one and wipe down countertops, doorknobs, and other high-touch areas, making them a go-to for busy individuals and families who prioritize a hygienic living space. Their bleach-free formula ensures they are safe for a wider range of surfaces and gentler on your skin, providing peace of mind while you maintain a sparkling clean environment. Number 5. Clorox Disinfecting Wipes, Fresh Scent. Introducing Clorox Disinfecting Wipes. They offer a powerful clean with a refreshing scent to keep your home sparkling. Our wipes are bleach-free, making them a safe and effective choice for everyday messes. You can trust them for a gentle yet thorough clean. These are household essentials, perfect for keeping surfaces clean and fresh. They are a must-have for any busy home. Ideal for dorm rooms, these wipes make cleaning quick and easy. Keep your personal space tidy and hygienic with minimal effort. This pack includes 75 wipes, with 3 canisters for long-lasting convenience. You'll have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs. Enjoy the pleasant fresh scent as you wipe away germs and grime. They leave surfaces not only clean but also smelling great. What we like? This option offers a bleach-free clean, making it safe for a wider range of surfaces and for homes with children or pets. Its multi-surface capability means you can tackle messes throughout your home with just one product. If you're looking for a versatile and gentle cleaning solution for everyday use, this is a great choice. What people say. These wipes are great for quick cleanups and disinfecting surfaces. They effectively kill germs and bacteria without leaving a strong chemical smell. The wipes are durable and don't tear easily, making them suitable for scrubbing tougher messes. Number 4. CloroxPro Disinfecting Wipes. Introducing CloroxPro Disinfecting Wipes, your go-to solution for a cleaner, fresher space. These powerful wipes tackle dirt and germs with ease. Each container is packed with 75 disinfecting wipes, ensuring you have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs. Keep your home or office sparkling. This convenient pack of 6 ensures you're always stocked up. Say goodbye to frequent store runs and hello to continuous cleanliness. Trust in their ability to eliminate 99.9% of common viruses and bacteria. They provide peace of mind with every wipe. Enjoy the refreshing, clean scent left behind after you clean. It makes your space not only look clean but smell clean too. Choose the trusted name in cleaning with CloroxPro. These disinfecting wipes are designed for effective and reliable results every time. What we like? Designed for tougher jobs, this provides professional-grade disinfection to kill germs effectively. The pack of 6 offers excellent value for high-traffic areas or frequent use. If you need a powerful and reliable disinfectant for your business or a busy household, this bulk option is ideal. What people say. These wipes are great for quick cleanups and disinfecting surfaces. The bleach-free formula is a good option for those sensitive to harsh chemicals. They leave surfaces smelling fresh and clean without a strong chemical odor. Number 3. 3-pack surface cleaning wipes with bleach. Introducing our 3-pack of surface cleaning wipes, infused with bleach for a powerful clean. Enjoy a fresh scent that leaves your spaces smelling great. These all-purpose wipes are perfect for tackling messes in your bathroom, kitchen, and office. They offer a convenient and effective cleaning solution for any room. With 216 soft flow wipes per pack, you'll have plenty for all your cleaning needs. They are designed for a gentle yet effective cleaning experience. Experience a lint-free finish with every wipe. These durable cloths are built to last, ensuring a thorough clean without leaving residue behind. From countertops to sinks, these wipes are suitable for a variety of surfaces. Keep your home and workspace sparkling clean with ease. This 3-pack offers great value and convenience for stocking up. Ensure you always have these essential cleaning wipes on hand when you need them. What we like? This choice harnesses the power of bleach for a deeper clean and disinfection, perfect for tackling tough stains and sanitizing surfaces. With 216 wipes, it offers exceptional value and convenience for extensive cleaning tasks. If you prefer the strong cleaning action of bleach and need a long-lasting supply for bathrooms and kitchens, this is the one to get. What people say. These wipes are great for quick cleanups and disinfecting surfaces. They effectively kill germs without the harsh smell of bleach. The convenient canister makes them easy to use and store. Number 2. Clorox Free and Clear Cleaning Wipes. Introducing Clorox Free and Clear Cleaning Wipes. Experience a powerful clean that's gentle on surfaces and your senses. Perfect for everyday messes. Enjoy the refreshing, light lemon scent. It leaves your home smelling fresh without any harsh chemical odors. A pleasant cleaning experience awaits. Each container comes with 75 wipes, providing ample cleaning power for all your needs. Keep one handy in every room for quick cleanups. This convenient 3-pack ensures you're always stocked up. Stock your home or office with these essential cleaning tools. Our free and clear formula is designed for those who prefer a clean without added fragrances or dyes. Get a thorough clean you can feel good about. These wipes are perfect for a variety of surfaces. From countertops to doorknobs, they tackle dirt and grime effectively. What we like. This variant is formulated without harsh chemicals, making it a gentle yet effective cleaning solution. The light lemon scent provides a fresh aroma without being overpowering. If you have sensitivities to strong fragrances or prefer a cleaning product with a simpler ingredient list, this is an excellent option for a worry-free clean. What people say. These wipes are great for cleaning and disinfecting surfaces. They are bleach-free, making them safe to use on a variety of materials. The wipes are durable and do not tear easily. Number 1. Clorox Bleach-Free Wipes, 2-pack. Introducing Clorox Bleach-Free Wipes. Get a powerful clean without the harsh chemicals you want to avoid. These versatile wipes are safe to use on a variety of surfaces throughout your home. Keep your spaces clean and fresh with ease. Each pack comes with 75 wipes, ready for any mess. The convenient design makes cleaning quick and efficient. This offer includes 2 packs, ensuring you have plenty on hand. Stock up and be prepared for everyday spills and messes. Experience the trusted Clorox clean in a bleach-free formula. It's the effective and gentle way to maintain a hygienic home. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of a bleach-free clean for your daily messes and spills. This pack is perfectly sized for easy storage and quick access. If you're seeking a straightforward, reliable wipe for general household cleaning and want to avoid bleach, this pack of 2 is a practical choice. What people say. These wipes are great for quick cleanups and disinfecting surfaces. I love that they are bleach-free, making them safe to use around my pets and children. The scent is light and fresh, not overpowering like some other brands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.